How's it going, everyone? Today we're checking out my brand new Dewalt work boots right here, and we'll look on the side, and that is the model number itself, so you can see that in the halogen color. My size is 10.5 men's, and I will try them on after, and we'll see if they fit true to size to that 10.5. So stay tuned. Let's have a look at them first. We'll grab our first one out right here, and we'll actually grab the second one out right here as well. So we have them both, and that's everything that's included. Some nice Dewalt tissue paper right there. We'll put those aside. We'll move the boots just right back right there. So we can see them in this really, really nice color, like the suede feel of them as well. The inside we have nicely lined in that kind of a little bit darker yellow color. The nice yellow black style laces right there. Dewalt written on the side of it, guaranteed tough. Very, very nice. Like the treading along the side, and then we look on the bottom. We can see very, very nice treading on the bottom itself. Looks really, really good. We got the nice steel toe on them as well, so very, very hard. Cannot press it obviously at all because it is the steel toe. So it feels like an excellent quality boot. It's not overly heavy as well. I thought that they would feel a lot heavier, which is really nice. I like that. I like the work boots that are light and still offer that durability and great look to them. Got that little tongue holder right there so you can pull back and slide your boots on. And then that's how your laces come. We can take those laces just right off, just like that, and they have that kind of interlocking system just right there up at the top. But let's go ahead and try them on and see how they feel. And here they are on my feet, and I have to say right away, they do 100% fit true to size to my 10.5 size feet, so no problems there whatsoever. The back feels very, very comfortable, really good cushioning on the side. It feels very comfortable. It feels like I could wear these for a long time and have no problems at all. So I am extremely happy with these. If you're in the mindset of buying these or not, I definitely say take the plunge, try them out. You're gonna love them.